make video where I'll be making some Eton Mess, which is one of my favourite desserts. So, what we're gonna do first is we're gonna get some strawberries and we're gonna cut the ends off. Be very careful, remember guys. Very, very careful. And then we're gonna cut them in half and in half again. And so in half. And I'm just gonna carry on doing this until they're all ready. So this one maybe can be let off with a little mark. And we're just going to speed this up until it's all done. Right, so I'm just going to go pop these in the bin. And now, what we're going to do is we're going to get these. We're going to put them into a bowl or a food processor. And then for me, what I'm going to do is I'm going to swap this over to here. And I'm going to try and puree this. And keep on going until it's nice and into a puree. So I'm going to pop this over and mix and change this up because we're going to be using that in a minute. I'm going to take some honey and just wait for it to drip down, and then I'm going to put a lovely squeeze of honey in. Take a spoon, give it a good old mix after you put that lovely honey in. Right, I'm now going to get my little pot over here and I'm going to pour my lovely puree in. Look at that. Juicy that. So, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to start whipping up some cream. So I've got 400 mils of cream in here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my electric whisk over here. And I'm going to start whisking it until it reaches a nice texture so you can get it into peaks, I guess. Okay, so I'm going to speed this bit up of me whipping the cream. Once it starts going together, what you want to do is want to start doing it a bit slower. If you over mix it, it goes grainy, which it won't be ideal for this dessert. So I'm just going to carry on doing it until it's all done. Now ready, it's holding the shape and it shouldn't drop from your spoon, and holding in stiff peaks. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to get my lovely puree. I'm going to pour it all. I'm going to leave a tiny weeny bit because there's something I like to do. Tiny weeny. That's that one. Then, right, what I'm going to do is I'm going to pop this down. And what we want to do is Don't get rid of all that lovely air in your cream, but just slowly mix it in. Okay, so just slowly, very slowly, mix it in. So, sort of fold it. Get it all from the bottom. Look at that. Look how lovely and fluffy that looks. Okay, so I'm going to pick up my rolling pin. Poof, poof, poof. And I'm going to get, I've got 4 meringues here. I'm going to put 2 at a time in. And I'm going to bish, bash, bosh. Give some nice big chunks. Okay, now I'm going to put those 2 in there. I'm going to do the other 2. Once again, do some lovely big chunks. So you can bite into it, taste all that sugary sweetness. Right, put that in. 3. Now, mix it again. Once again, try not to let all that lovely airy cream pop all its air bubbles. Now, this is very hard because once you put everything in, it's all up, and you don't want to spill any of this. Guys, this is delicious. So, you definitely don't want to spill any of it. So, and it's quite hard because you can't get a bigger spoon. So I've got a bigger spoon which has my name on it. And there we go. I recommend kids use a bigger spoon. And there we go, because we don't want to mix it anymore. Now for the exciting bit, we're going to build one. Right, so I'll put that. What I'm going to do is I've got that in there. Right, I'm going to get a lovely, I'm not sure what type of glass this is called, but right, so I've got that. And what I'm going to do first is I'm going to put a few lovely chopped strawberries at the bottom, like that. And then we're going to get maybe a teaspoon and get a lot of cream. Don't worry about flattening this. Just dollop it in because it's called Eton Mess. So mess, that's going to be eaten very quickly. Okay, and then some more strawberries. Doop, doop, doop. And I'm going to get another spoonful of this lovely cream. There we go. And put some more in. And then some strawberries on top. And then put that left over. Just drizzle a tiny little bit. I'm going to use a teaspoon again for this. Just off. Just put some on top of these strawberries. And then I've got some grated chocolate, and you could use mint, but mint's not really in season right now. And I'm just going to sprinkle that on top, and there we go. And Eton Mess, right? I cannot resist not trying this, so let's get in. Okay, I just realised that we made a little bit of mistake. We forgot to put the icing sugar into the cream. But it's alright, guys, it's alright. Because it's only optional and it's probably just sweet enough anyway, so. But if you do want to, I'm not going to argue if you put it on. So, let's try it then. Right, so, I'm going to take a nice spoon here. Ooh, look at that. That is good. Now, serve up the rest of the cream and the puree, the chocolate, the icing sugar and everything to make 3 more for your family. And if you want to do more, make it for your friends as well. Okay.